Welcome to our channel, the ultimate destination for high-end home decor and interior architecture. If you've been looking to elevate your home with a touch of high-end sophistication, you are in the right place. Today, we're looking ahead at the defining trends of 2026, a year set to be defined by quiet luxury 2.0 and biophilic futurism. We're breaking down the designer secrets that will help you transform your living space into a curated masterpiece that feels both modern and timeless. To achieve this, we focus on 4 pillars of 2026 design. 1. Neo-organic minimalism. This trend moves away from the stark, cold minimalism of the past decade. In 2026, sophistication is found in fluid, sculptural silhouettes and raw, unrefined materials. Designers are prioritizing tactile luxury, think home travertine coffee tables, hand-carved white oak cabinetry, and lime wash walls that provide a soft, suede-like texture to a room. 2. The tech-integrated sanctuary. High-end design in 2026 is synonymous with invisible technology. We are seeing a rise in smart glass that adjusts opacity for instant privacy, integrated circadian lighting systems that mimic the natural sun cycle to improve wellness, and acoustic wall art designed to dampen sound in open-concept layouts. The goal is a home that functions intelligently without looking like a tech showroom. 3. Sustainable grandeur. Sustainability has evolved into a status symbol. The 2026 aesthetic features lab-grown marble surfaces that are more durable than the natural stone, and mycelium-based textiles that offer the luxury of leather with a zero-carbon footprint. Curating a home now involves vintage fusion, mixing high-value 20th century antiques with ultra-modern, 3D-printed sustainable furniture. 4. The 2026 color palette, Earthcore. The color trends for 2026 move toward Earthcore tones. We are stepping away from stark grays and moving toward deep moss greens, burnt ochre, and lunar gray, a warm, celestial off-white. These are punctuated by metallic accents in brushed champagne gold and oxidized copper, adding a layer of jewelry-like refinement to every room. By mastering these elements, you can create a space that doesn't just follow a trend, but sets a standard for years to come. Let's dive into the specific styling techniques to get this look. The evolution of quiet luxury, 2026 design trends. In 2026, the interior design landscape is defined by the hush, a sophisticated evolution of minimalism that prioritizes sensory experience over visual noise. This shift toward quiet luxury reflects a cultural desire for sanctuary and permanence, moving away from the disposable nature of fast-trend decor. 1. Materiality, the foundation of the hush. The aesthetic relies heavily on the authenticity of materials. Rather than high-gloss finishes, 2026 favors soft stone surfaces. This includes home travertine and limestone, preferred for their matte, velvety feel and natural pits that tell a geological story, soapstone and matte marble, used in kitchens and bathrooms to provide a grounded, earthy atmosphere that ages gracefully, reclaimed organic wood, brushed oaks and walnuts with visible grains provide a warmth that synthetic materials cannot replicate. Point 2. Tactile wall finishes. Walls are no longer treated as flat backgrounds but as three-dimensional elements. The trend emphasizes lime wash and Roman clay. These finishes create a cloudy, mottled effect that adds movement and depth without the need for bold color, plaster and micro-cement. These provide a seamless, architectural look that feels cool to the touch and softens the acoustics of a room. Textile wall coverings, grasscloth, linen, and silk-wrapped panels are used to dampen sound and add a layer of soft architecture. Point 3. The tonal and monochromatic palette. The 2026 color story moves away from stark whites and cool grays, leaning instead into warm chromatics. Base layers, creams, sands, and mushroom tones form the foundation, depth through variation. By staying within a single hue but varying the saturation, e.g., layering oat, biscuit, and camel, a room achieves a rich look that feels cohesive rather than flat, natural accents. Subtle pops of color are derived from nature, muted moss greens, terracotta, or deep charcoal. Point 4. Layering for depth and comfort. To prevent a monochromatic space from feeling cold, designers employ a rigorous layering technique. Fabric interplay, the juxtaposition of different weaves, is essential. A heavy boucle chair paired with a lightweight linen curtain and a silk wool rug creates visual interest through contrast and hand feel. Sculptural furniture, with a limited color palette, the silhouette of furniture becomes more important. Expect curved edges, organic shapes, and bespoke joinery that emphasizes craftsmanship. Point 5. Quality over clutter. The ultimate goal of quiet luxury is the curation of a few high-quality pieces rather than a collection of accessories. This involves investment art, large-scale, singular pieces that command attention through texture or scale, integrated technology. Smart home features are hidden behind cabinetry or integrated into stone surfaces to ensure no digital clutter disrupts the visual piece. Purposeful lighting, soft, indirect lighting, cove lighting and dimmable sconces, is used to highlight the textures of the stone and fabric, enhancing the expensive feel of the materials at night. The contemporary design landscape is undergoing a significant transformation as the stark, rigid lines of traditional minimalism give way to the graceful allure of organic shapes. This shift toward fluidity represents a move away from industrial coldness toward a more human-centric, biophilic approach to living spaces. By prioritizing soft contours over sharp angles, homeowners are creating environments that prioritize comfort and visual harmony. Central to this movement is sculptural furniture, which functions as functional art within a home. Kidney-shaped sofas, a hallmark of mid-century modernism, are seeing a massive resurgence. Their asymmetrical, curving silhouettes break up the boxy layout of standard living rooms, encouraging more natural conversation flow and movement. Similarly, arched mirrors and doorways are being utilized to soften the harsh vertical and horizontal planes of interior architecture. By mimicking the curves found in the natural world, these elements create a sense of rhythm and continuity that sharp corners cannot achieve. Incorporating these soft lines instantly elevates a room's sophistication, providing a designer-led aesthetic that feels curated rather than mass-produced. The visual weight of a curved piece is often perceived as lighter and more approachable, making even small rooms feel more spacious and airy. Psychologically, rounded edges are associated with safety and relaxation, contrasting with the alertness triggered by sharp points. For those looking to transition their space without a full renovation, the rounded accent chair serves as the ideal entry point. Whether upholstered in tactile fabrics like boucle, shearling, or deep velvet, a curved chair provides a focal point that shifts the room's energy from static to dynamic. It creates a pleasing visual contrast when placed alongside rectangular coffee tables or traditional bookshelves, effectively balancing. Minimalism is undergoing a profound transformation, evolving from a philosophy of less is more into a sophisticated strategy known as statement minimalism. In the context of 2026 interior design, this aesthetic shifts away from the stark, sterile environments of the past toward spaces defined by high-impact curation and emotional resonance. The core of this movement is the hero piece, a singular, dominant element that anchors the room's narrative. Rather than filling a space with multiple mid-tier decorations, statement minimalism advocates for one or two extraordinary investments. This might manifest as an oversized, architecturally significant pendant light that serves as a ceiling sculpture, or a massive piece of monochromatic, heavily textured canvas art that provides tactile depth without visual clutter. The surrounding environment is designed to breathe, utilizing negative space as a deliberate design tool rather than a void. This breathing room acts as a visual frame, directing the eye toward the hero piece and reducing cognitive load. By eliminating filler furniture and redundant accessories, the room achieves a sense of monumental calm. Intentionality is the governing principle of the 2026 living space. Every object must undergo rigorous scrutiny. It must either serve a vital functional purpose or possess a narrative quality capable of sparking conversation. This reflects a broader cultural shift toward conscious consumption and slow design, where the origin, craftsmanship, and material integrity of an object are valued over its mere presence. In statement minimalism, the home becomes a gallery of one's values, where the absence of noise allows the beauty of the essential to be fully realized. The evolution of biophilic design in 2026 marks a decisive shift from decorative accents to structural integration. This refined naturalism movement prioritizes architectural synergy, where flora is no longer an afterthought but a foundational component of the floor plan. Designers are increasingly utilizing recessed floor planters, internal courtyards, and automated irrigation systems to house large-scale botanical features, effectively blurring the boundary between the built environment and the natural world. The material palette for this era is anchored by high-quality, sustainably sourced hardwoods, specifically walnut and oak. Walnut is favored for its rich, deep hues and sophisticated grain patterns, providing a sense of heritage and permanence. Conversely, white oak offers a lighter, more minimalist aesthetic that maximizes natural light reflection. When these woods are paired with oversized indoor trees, such as the black olive, Buceta buceras, mature fiddle leaf figs, or indoor adapted citrus, the result is a multi-layered sensory experience. These large-scale elements serve as living sculptures, providing natural acoustic dampening and enhanced air purification. Beyond aesthetics, this trend addresses a growing psychological demand for sanctuary spaces. By embedding nature into the very bones of the home through integrated planters and timber-clad walls, the environment fosters a grounded atmosphere that promotes circadian rhythm regulation and emotional stability. This architectural approach transforms modern living spaces into restorative retreats, offering a tangible physical and mental reprieve from the digital saturation of contemporary life. Transforming your home with the precision of a professional designer requires a sophisticated equilibrium between fleeting aesthetic movements and the enduring necessity of personal ergonomics. As we look toward the 2026 interior landscape, the focus shifts from mere decoration to the creation of immersive, sensory environments. In-depth analysis of 2026 design trends. 1. Biophilic evolution, beyond the houseplant. In 2026, biophilic design moves past potted greenery into structural integration. We are seeing a rise in living walls with automated irrigation and the use of mycelium-based materials and algae-tinted textiles. The goal is to create a home that breathes, utilizing natural ventilation patterns and circadian lighting systems that mimic the sun's movement to regulate sleep and mood. 2. Tactile brutalism. This trend marries the raw, honest architecture of concrete and stone with extreme softness. Imagine a hand-poured concrete coffee table paired with an oversized, high-pile mohair rug. This contrast creates visual tension that feels both grounded and luxurious, emphasizing the sensory home where every surface begs to be touched. 3. The digital hearth and invisible tech. The 2026 home hides its intelligence. We are moving away from visible screens and bulky smart speakers toward calm technology. This includes interactive wooden surfaces that act as touch interfaces and fabric-wrapped acoustic panels that double as high-fidelity audio systems, ensuring the home remains a sanctuary rather than a data center. Which of these 2026 movements resonates most with your personal style? Are you leaning toward the raw textures of tactile brutalism or the high-tech integration of the digital hearth? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If this deep dive into the future of interior styling provided the inspiration you needed, please support the channel by hitting the like button and subscribing. By joining our community, you gain exclusive access to upcoming trend reports, furniture sourcing guides, and professional styling secrets that turn any house into a masterpiece. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to seeing you in our next design exploration.